Sock-Distic and C. Mosley are hungry.
Go through the light. Don't go through it while they red now, you dumb ass. You be on that crazy, bro. I was so scared when we rolled to that Shadow Boy video, man. You driving reckless as hell. That's cause you hungry, bro. You know them damn celery sandwiches and shit. Bro. That shit ain't worth a shit, you hear me? Yeah, just go through the light, bro. Yeah. So look, look, man, I'm trying to book something too now. I need me a video shot. Damn. Oh, you don't hear me? All right, thank you the game. All that giggling, all that giggling and shit, man. Money talk. You want that bullshit?
How much you trying to spend?
How much I'm trying to? Oh boy, nigga hit you. You sound like them niggas at Fresh Factory now. God damn. At the tattoo place. All that bullshit now. How much I'm trying to spend? How much it cost? You got raised though. Just email me, bro. Send me your price. You bullshit like hell. God damn, how much you trying to spend? How much it cost? You don't go to Burger King and say, let me order a Whopper. They don't ask you how much you trying to spend on the Whopper, do it. It got the price up there.
This ain't Burger King, bro. Two different things now.
Boy, these niggas be flexing. Yeah.
Artistic.
You know I'm gonna bring that sauce down.
Hello.
Oh, that deli. That deli call.
What's she doing?
Yeah. Man don't know where the hell he
You
is.
want something to eat, bro? I'm straight. Cet-Distic.
Yeah, I'll take some.
Sock-Distic.
Yeah, I'll take some.
Yeah, it don't matter, bro.
Tell anything, yeah.
Anything, it don't even matter.
Whatever, yeah.
Anything. Huh? What you want from McDonald's, bro?
Man, don't you think I'm at laughing? It don't matter, bro. Anything. A quarter pound, no pickle.
Quarter pound of no pickle.
No pickle, no onion. Yeah.
No onion. Then she just eat Sonic. Alright, bro.
Whoa! Shit, boy, you swerved that. Oh, you swerved that motherfucker in, didn't it, bro?
Yeah, she just ate Sonic, goddamn. The corn dog wants to eat it.
The way he stepped. Whoa, you be whipping this big motherfucker, bro. Goddamn. Big drunk. Let me get in my goddamn car for you. Wreck me up. Stop all that swerving, bro. You on that?